This Crock-Pot 7-quart programmable slow cooker with digital timer is essential for anyone looking to simplify meal preparation while ensuring delicious and nutritious meals. This polished platinum slow cooker offers a blend of functionality, convenience, and style, making it perfect for everyday use and entertaining. Let's delve into the various features and benefits of this versatile appliance. One of the first things you'll notice about the Crock-Pot 7-quart programmable slow cooker is its polished platinum finish, which adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor. The soft grip chrome-plated handles not only enhance its appearance, but also ensure safe and comfortable handling. This slow cooker is designed to be both practical and visually appealing, making it a great addition to any kitchen. With a 7-quart capacity, this programmable slow cooker is perfect for serving large families or preparing meals for gatherings. It can easily accommodate meals for 8 or more people, making it ideal for dinner parties, family reunions, or meal prepping for the week. Whether you're cooking a hearty stew, a savory roast, or a large batch of chili, this slow cooker has you covered. The digital countdown control is a standout feature of this Crock-Pot model. It allows you to program cooking times ranging from 30 minutes to 20 hours, providing you with the flexibility to prepare meals well in advance. This is especially useful for those with busy schedules who want a hot meal ready when they get home. The digital timer ensures precise cooking, so your meals are always cooked to perfection. One of the biggest conveniences of the Crock-Pot 7-quart programmable slow cooker is its automatic warming feature. Once the cooking time is complete, the slow cooker shifts to the warm setting, keeping your meal at the perfect serving temperature until you're ready to eat. This feature is particularly beneficial for parties or family gatherings, where the food needs to stay warm for an extended period. Cleaning up after a meal is often the least enjoyable part of cooking, but this slow cooker makes it easy. Both the stoneware pot and glass lid are dishwasher-safe, allowing for quick and effortless cleanup. The non-stick surface of the stoneware ensures that food residue comes off easily, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Slow cooking is not only convenient, but also promotes healthier eating. By using this crock-pot, you can prepare nutritious meals with minimal effort. Slow cooking allows for better retention of nutrients compared to other cooking methods, and it enhances the flavors of your ingredients. You can create a wide variety of dishes, from soups and stews to casseroles and desserts, all with the simple touch of a button. The Crock-Pot 7-quart programmable slow cooker is incredibly versatile, making it suitable for a wide range of recipes. Whether you're searing meat, slow cooking a stew, or keeping food warm, this appliance can handle it all. The programmable settings provide you with the flexibility to try new recipes and cooking techniques, expanding your culinary repertoire. Constructed from high-quality materials, including aluminum and stainless steel, this slow cooker is built to last. The durable construction ensures that it can withstand regular use, and the polished platinum finish resists wear and tear, keeping it looking new for years to come. The quality craftsmanship of this slow cooker reflects the trusted reputation of the Crock-Pot brand. For those who lead busy lives, the Crock-Pot 7-quart programmable slow cooker is a game changer. You can prepare your ingredients in the morning, set the desired cooking time, and go about your day. By the time you return home, you'll have a hot, ready-to-eat meal waiting for you. This level of convenience makes it easier to maintain a healthy diet, even with a hectic schedule. In addition to its practicality for everyday meals, this slow cooker is perfect for entertaining. Its large capacity and automatic warming feature ensures that your guests will always have warm, delicious food to enjoy. Whether you're hosting a casual get-together or a formal dinner party, the Crock-Pot 7-quart programmable slow cooker takes the stress out of meal preparation and allows you to focus on enjoying the company of your guests. Conclusion: the Crock-Pot 7-quart programmable slow cooker with digital timer is a versatile and reliable kitchen appliance that makes meal preparation easy and enjoyable. Its large capacity, stylish design, and advanced features like the digital countdown control and automatic warming function set it apart from other slow cookers on the market. Whether you're cooking for your family or entertaining guests, this slow cooker provides the convenience and flexibility you need to create delicious, home-cooked meals with minimal effort. Investing in the Crock-Pot 7-quart programmable slow cooker is a smart choice for anyone looking to simplify their cooking routine while ensuring tasty and nutritious meals. With its durable construction, easy-to-clean design, and user-friendly features, this slow cooker is sure to become a staple in your kitchen for years to come. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.